National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Preble County in Ohio until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm was located near Lewisburg and moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Lewisburg. This storm is still capable of producing a tornado. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet.